This is my weeknight version of honey garlic chicken, crispy pieces of chicken in a thick, sticky glaze. It's sweet, a little spicy and simple enough for busy days, so let me show you how to make it. I'm starting with about 500 grams of chicken breast. Slice it against the grain into small, even pieces so they cook quickly and stay tender. Add the chicken into a bowl, then season it with pepper, garlic powder, cooking wine, soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix well so every piece is coated in the marinade. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. If you are in a hurry, even 10 minutes will still give you a good flavor. This is where the chicken picks up most of its taste, so don't skip this part if you can help it. Now we will give the chicken a light coating so it gets crispy in the pan. Add the starch and flour directly into the bowl, then coat all the chicken. You don't need a deep fryer for this, just a pan and a little oil. Place the chicken pieces in a single layer and fry them until they are golden and crispy, about 4 to 5 minutes on each side. When the chicken is cooked through and nicely browned, take it out of the pan and set it aside. In the same pan, add a piece of butter and let it melt with a little oil to keep it from burning. Add crushed garlic and cook it just until it releases its aroma. Pour in a splash of vinegar and let it boil off. Then add broth, honey, sweet dark soy sauce and some chili sauce for heat. Stir and let the sauce bubble, scraping up any brown bits from the bottom of the pan. That's where a lot of the flavor is hiding. If you want it thicker, add a little water mixed with starch and cook it for another minute until it turns glossy and coats the spoon. Don't overdo the starch here or the sauce will turn gluey instead of glossy. In my orange chicken video I show you how to fix it if you add too much starch. Return the fried chicken to the pan and toss it in the sauce until every piece is coated and heat it through. Finish with a sprinkle of parsley. Serve it with rice and you have crispy honey garlic chicken with a rich, sticky sauce that tastes like a lot of effort but is still easy enough for a weeknight. If you want more easy beginner friendly recipes like this, subscribe and cook the next one with me.